Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix full storage on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first go into the settings, then storage, smart cleanup. As you can see, the phone is in good condition and needs no further handling, but if you have full storage, then right here should be a button to clean it up. Then go into free up space and you can see how much of a space is used, and once again, as you can see, you're cut up for now. Pull down to refresh, but if you have any junk files, then they're right here to delete. You can go back to the settings. You have the apps and you can uninstall them right here if they are piling up and using too much space. Then we have the images that you can do the same with from files or by Google. You have the bin, videos, documents, audio, other, and games. Also you have how much of storage does system take. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.